Hey, it's Johnny and welcome to the Daily Brain Tattoo from Johnny Hates Marketing. If you're wondering how to get started in coaching or even how to escape the low-lying plateau you're cruising around, here's a question for you. What do you know that others don't? It could be an easier, cheaper or faster way of doing something. It could be the answer to a puzzle nobody else has solved. It could be a way to make more money doing something, or a new way to ease a nagging pain or problem. It could be an angle on health, fitness and longevity no one's thought of. Even if you tell yourself the nothing new under the sun story, ask yourself this: what do I know that my ideal client doesn't already know? Answer that and you've unlocked your own secret Aladdin's cave. That's it from me today. We're back tomorrow with another Daily Brain Tattoo. Meanwhile, hop on over to johnnyhatesmarketing.com and sign up for the Daily Brain Tattoos by email. See you soon. Bye-bye.